Today I'm working on an 11 by 14 inch hardboard canvas, and I'll be painting, stenciling, and using some modeling paste. So let's get started. I mix up a lighter gray, and then I'm going to use my palette knife to scrape these colors on here and there just to make kind of a rough background. Once that's dry, I get my dauber ready, which is a makeup sponge and a clothespin. And I'm just going to start stenciling on my background trees. I know it looks weird right now, but you'll see how it all comes together. And hopefully you'll like it as much as I do. Using my liner brush to go in and make my stencil connections. Once my trees are dry, I go in with my light gray and a baby wipe and just wipe some of that gray to make a nice hazy background. Next, I go in with my white and put my trees, my snowy bare trees, into the foreground. Next, I'll use my stencil and then my liner brush to put my words on my canvas. Starting off with the first and the last so that I can center the on in the middle, hopefully. Adding a good bit of modeling paste to my moon up there in the corner. Don't want it to be smooth and all perfect. I want it to be kind of rough and really stand out. And using my trusty toothpick to do a little cleanup, and then I'll go in and start working on my buck. When my modeling paste is dry, I'm going in with a little bit of sandpaper here to take away any really rough edges. Using my stencil again to dab a little white paint on my moon, and then applying the dark gray with my stencil to the, you don't have to use the stencil, but I find it just helps me to paint over an area very quickly. Then I can come in and touch up any areas that need touching up. I put a nice thick coat of white on again, but this time I put some glitter on top. Putting on another coat of my dark gray. Now I want to mask off the body of my deer so I can just work with the antlers and the glitter. And so what I'm doing is I'm just taping some paper towel, as you can see, on to kind of block that off. Then I'm using a fresh dauber with some Mod Podge, and I'm going to put a nice coat over that, over the antlers, and then sprinkle some glitter on. Oh yeah. With my glitter spots dry, I'm going to come in with a dry chip brush and brush all over just to make sure I've got all the loose glitter off, and then I will use a smaller brush, medium round brush to be exact, to apply some Mod Podge over my moon and my antlers to make sure that glitter stays on there forever and ever. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like this kind of video, I would sure appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you'll join me next time.